What's good, YouTube? It's your boy TC, and I'm back with another motion picture. I'm loading up my truck with gas right now. I am currently in Virginia, which I am happy about, because the simple fact that it's snowing where I'm from. Cleveland is snowstorm and everything. But anyway, I'm here to talk about, tell y'all about the time that I got fired from my factory job. Now, when I used to work, I used to go from job to job to job, and I hated it. I hated working with a passion. I'm talking about, I'm waking up every day mad at the world, pissed. And when you really think about it, that's kind of crazy, because why are you mad at something that you chose to do? Why are you mad at the fact that you get a chance to wake up and get money? But I wasn't trying to hear that. I wasn't trying to hear nothing along those lines when I was working. Like I said, what's crazy is, even though I used to go from job to job, I ended up working there. That's been the longest job I ever worked. And I used to like make LED lights in the assembly line. Anyway, so this is the best job I ever had. And it's not because of the work or pay. It's because I was cool with so many people there. It was really like one big ass family, like a lot of us though. Hold up though, I gotta get this change real quick. Yeah, I just gotta get the in and out. Why he over there talking to himself? Huh? Right. So yeah, I made a lot of friends or whatever. So it was a cool job, like, you know what I'm saying, a lot of drama, a lot of people having sex on the job, people talking smack to each other, you know, the typical factory BS. You know what I'm saying? Had a girl in there that really wanted my girl. Things of that nature. So, as you can imagine, it was a good time. We used to have food fights, and you name it. So at this point, I'm pretty sure that y'all see that we weren't really in that motherfucker working. We was in there playing around, joking, laughing, cracking up. So yeah, if any of y'all was wondering if the work girlfriend and work boyfriend thing is real, it's definitely a real thing. Listen, I ain't about to lie to you. I done seen it, I done been through it, and yeah. I mean, you gotta think about it. You're literally in a job for over 8 hours or whatever, or a little less, every 5 days out of the week. Like, what you think gonna happen? Like, yeah, ain't nobody that good. Like, you know, you might just be doing it to pass time, and it just might sneak up on you. You might not even plan to do it, or even thought about doing it, but just like it happened. But I used to come to work late every day. What I'm talking about, every day. No, not every day. So like, if I wasn't late, I was almost late. So my almost late, I used to come in that boy running. Like I'm in a marathon, a hurdle or something, like jumping hurdles and shit. You know what I'm saying? Clock in. What's up? I'm here. I'm here. We good? We alright? Alright, cool. Bet. But yeah, that ain't why I got fired though. I'm talking about food fights in a bathroom on the phone when you ain't supposed to be, but I'm still in there on the phone. Lunch break longer than what they supposed to be, late, and those ain't none of the reasons why I got fired. So boom, I remember one time I'm sitting, so you know, we in a line, it's a line, but everybody's sitting down working or whatever. And I'm a little segregated on the side type move. I don't know why, but they got me over there. So I'm like, oh, this what y'all on? Ha! Bet. I ain't gonna be here long and y'all gonna miss me. Y'all gonna need me. Y'all go. Shit. Fuck the damn camera up, man. Hold on. Sorry, guys. Not cutting that out neither. Alright, make sure it's focused. Nice. Yeah, I'm like, man, y'all gonna need me. When I leave, y'all gonna be missing me. But anyway, so I'm sitting on the chair, right? Boom. You know what I'm saying? I'm acting like I'm doing my work. I'm not really working, you know what I'm saying? I'm acting like I'm making it look like it. You gotta make it look good. You can't just be in there and, you know, like look like you go BS. You gotta look like you serious. So boom. I'm sitting, mind you, I'm sitting down in the chair. So the manager walks by, and then she comes back. I'm like, what's going on over here? I'm thinking like maybe she think I'm in my phone or something. So anyway, she comes and whispers in my ear. Mind you, she got to bend down, so she like, she come behind me on my right side. She like, you don't look enthusiastic enough. Hold up. Wait a minute. First of all, I'm offended. Because why are you using these big words? You know I ain't graduate. You seen that when I did the resume. I ain't graduate. No, but for real though. So she like, yeah, you don't look like you're having fun. I'm like, bitch, am I here for fun? What the fuck are you talking about? Why are we talking about fun right now? Anyway, I'm just like, yeah, I don't know what that mean, but all right. You know what I'm saying? I ain't say nothing because I wasn't trying to get fired. So it's like I cared, but I did not care enough to just be cool with getting fired. Like I would like to leave on my own, you know what I'm saying? So that's just what I was thinking or whatever. So anyway, let me get into how I even really got fired. So it was one of those days where it really wasn't nothing much to do, right? And you know, it's not a lot of work and everybody's still there, so just making up stupid stuff like cleaning and whatever, you know, get a longer break and they bring you lunch. I mean, you know what's crazy? The more I talk about it, the more I sound, this sounds like a great place to be. I can see why it lasted so long. They weren't strict at all and everybody was cool. Like even the people who I know somebody like, oh my God, would you stick to the story? Shut up! It's my channel. I do what I want. So anyway, let me get to the story, man. Alright. So boom. So it's like, alright, it's the end of the day, right? So I got my boy Carrie, Laurie, and Tony. Now, me and Tony, we just talking, chilling, whatever. We just laughing and shit. So it's time to clock out. Alright. So I don't know why. Don't ask me why, because I have no idea. So he clocks out. I clock out right after him. He's running. So I'm chasing him. Mind you, this is for absolutely no, I have no reason to chase this man. Hold on real quick. I have no reason to chase this man. So I'm running, right? Boom. So then I'm joking and laughing. I'm not really paying attention to what's in front of me. Now, somebody has their hood on. I'm thinking it's my friend Carrie. It was not Carrie. It was this old lady. I almost knocked her down. Like, oh, she almost fell. So I had to hurry up and grab her. She was, oh my God, like scared and stuff. Just like, yo. I'm like, oh my God, I'm sorry. I thought you was my friend Carrie. And then the other lady come in, get mad or whatever. I'm like, all right, you good? You cool? I mean, I know the lady, like, you know what I'm saying? So I wasn't really thinking it was that big of a deal. But
is it getting worse as the day goes?
Little that I know, it was a much bigger deal than what I was thinking. All right, so let me make sure I'm focused, man. This thing be acting up, bro. Well, I always gotta keep looking because it's like, all right, cool. So boom. I hear there, it's the end of the day, whatever. Mind you, we off work, so technically I wasn't on the clock. But I should have brought that up while I was at the table. Oh well, you know, it was after hours, you know, so it was really bit. Anyway, so boom. Some days go by, right? Days go by. I'm thinking really nothing of it. I didn't think it was that big deal. She didn't get hurt. Like, she was cool. She went in the car. Like, she was fine. I talked to her afterwards and everything. So the manager calls me. She's like, oh, whatever. We got to meet with you. Da, da, da. I'm like, okay, you know what this is about? No, I don't. First of all, you're lying. You're lying. I know you know what it's about. But okay, whatever. So I'm walking, alright, tight. Alright. Everybody looking at me, I'm looking at them. They looking at me, I'm looking back at them. So then, cool. I walk in the little office. They sitting at the table. I said,
sure.
But you know what? I didn't fully know because I've been pulled in the office and they asked me to do like, you know, other work where they wanted me to like go out of town, like Puerto Rico or something crazy like that. So I didn't fully think that it was really a problem. So then they sit me down. Go ahead, sit down. So, all right. What's up? How y'all doing? So one lady coughed. I'm thinking like, I don't like the sound of that cough. Sound like I look a little fake. And anyway, make a goddamn long story short, they fired. I'm like, but they told me it was because, you know, they asked me why I was running around playing or whatever. Like, how'd you run into Miss J? And I told them I was just, you know, running out the door and I thought it was Carrie. I literally thought the lady was Carrie, but it wasn't. And yeah, I was like, I apologize, you know what I'm saying? She said it was cool. Like, I didn't think it was a big deal. They're like, oh, well, you know, we're gonna have to let you go. I'm like, so mind you, to rewind it back, I did used to come into work mad every day, right? But I was still doing it. I wanted to leave. I didn't necessarily need the job.
Well, I ain't gonna say it ain't.
I didn't necessarily need the job, so I wanted to bounce. Had to get my thumbnail in. But anyway, so I wanted to leave, but I never took the initiative to actually like just say, you know what, I'm gonna go out on a limb and I'm gonna just do this thing on my own.
I ain't going.
So I used to be, you know, I remember this girl used to be like, well, why are you still here? You shouldn't be here, da da da. I'm like, I don't even know. I'm just here, like, whatever. Probably was because of her though. But anyway, it's another story. Another story I can get into if y'all, you know what I'm saying, I want that. But anyway, so yeah, so mind you, I'm like, dang, you know, kind of reality had hit me at that time. And so, you know, we get up or whatever. They say whatever BS they usually say when they fire you. And then, so I'm leaving out, whatever. She's like, yeah, I'll just get your stuff for you. You know, she was acting cool though, which is weird. That was like the coolest she's ever been since I worked there. She's like, yeah, you know, I'll put a good word in for you. You know, if anything happens, you know, I'm just starting to think about it. Maybe she was being nice to me because she didn't want me to say certain thing that I knew. Now I ain't gonna say those certain things, but just know that she wasn't really. It was some stuff going on. I'll just say that. And she know that I knew. So I'm like, I'm thinking like, that's probably why she was being so nice when I was leaving. But anyway though, when I was leaving though, my heart was like, I had a white t-shirt from Jergens. I felt like my heart was beating through the shirt because I was like scared. I didn't really know what to do. I was like, dang, like, I guess this is it. Like, you know, I never not worked before. I mean, obviously if I was younger, but somewhere like as a grown man, I never was not working a job. So I'm like, what am I gonna do? Like, you know, I'm kind of nervous. I'm like, dang, like I'm cool. I got papers saved up or whatever, but it's like, you know, it's a whole nother world out there when you're on your own and you got to make it for yourself. I was like, man, well, I said, I guess this is it. I'm about to find out if I can do this or not. So yeah, man, that's how I got fired, man. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot of stuff that happened at that job that I really can get into and go crazy about. But, I mean, if somebody in the comments interested enough, then I can talk about it. But yeah, like I said, right now we are currently leaving Virginia. He got his little pizza there, and then we're on the road. On the road again. Yeah, man. I definitely want to thank y'all for subscribing to the channel. You know what I'm saying? Hitting that like button. I'm excited to grow this channel and keep telling y'all stories, keep giving y'all visuals in different ways. I'm saying I really have so many ideas that I'm about to just execute on. And this year is the year to be prosperous for each and every single one of us. You guys watching, you know, I hope that you guys be prosperous, and anything that you want, you accomplish it. Because you can, you just gotta put your mind to it, put the work into it. You know, I had to talk with somebody and they made me realize how I've been kind of BSing, and I haven't been really producing the way that I could. And that's how I ended up in these situations where, you know, my money got tight and things of that nature. So it's like now I'm about to just kick things into another gear and really like turn up, because I've been selling myself short, and it's time for me to really blossom and become the flower that I've always been, and I always knew I could be. So I want to show y'all the process, the whole process of me grinding, you know, going from broke to really having that paper and stacking that paper and showing y'all how to do it the right way and really have motion. You feel me? So I want to change my life and change the people that's around me like as well. And I'm bringing y'all with me, man. Y'all my people, man. You know, we growing, we should be growing slowly but surely. But I see y'all really rocking with me, you feel me? Keep rocking with me though, because I'm gonna rock with y'all. And anything that y'all want to know, man, all you gotta do is comment down below, and I'm gonna answer the question to the best of my ability, you feel me? Yeah, but if you want to do it, do get to some point where, you know, certain advice you gotta be paid for, because I spend a lot of money on the information that I know. Now, I'm not scared to give out no information, but, you know, I do need to be compensated for some of the stuff that I know, because it costs me thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars for the shit that I know. Like, and I'm not over exaggerating. I really be spending money. I spend money, bro. I spend hella money on the things that I know, because I went and seeked it, because I'm like, all right, well, ain't nobody gonna give you nothing in life. You gotta go and get it yourself. Oh my God, what if the mic is not on? Okay, whew, it's on. Anyway, but you gotta go get it yourself. So, all right, ain't nobody really trying to get nothing for free, so I'm gonna put that paper down. I put $2,000 down, $3,000, $5,000, whatever the fuck it takes, because I really want it. So it ain't like I'm just a nigga out here playing I do be playing around though with certain things, but like I still be focused too though, and really be trying to get things done at the same exact time. So I'm not nobody to be sleeping on, you feel me? Like, if you look at the YouTube channel, two months ago, I made a decision. Oh, I'm about to do this, and I'm doing it, no matter what. The results are inevitable, right? But I don't know how long it's gonna take or whatever. Like, I might be a little delusional even doing this, but I don't care, because my thing is, if there's a chance, then I'm gonna take that little chance. You feel me? It's called multiple streams of income, not just depending on one thing, one source. What do I look like just depending on one thing? I'm about to go crazy. I'm about to do credit repair. I'm about to get in shape. Like, I'm talking about, I'm about to get in shape. Y'all go see, bro. I'm gonna show y'all the before and after. It's gonna be a whole before and after video of me getting in shape. Oh wait, hold on. But yeah, it's gonna be a whole before and after video of me getting in shape, so y'all know I'm not just talking, like. And what else? Shape. We're gonna figure out this truck thing, man, because I mean, this shit costs a lot of money. It's not really always making the money that we need, just because the things always be happening. And it get to a point where it get to a point. You understand what I'm saying? You understand what I'm saying? But if you don't understand what I'm saying, you will understand if you keep watching. It's your boy TC, man, and I'm back with another motion picture, man. Thanks for watching this to the end, but it's not the end. Let's get it. I'll see y'all next video.